Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I created this black smoky eye. It's very easy to do, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, first thing is first, prime my eyelid. I always prime my eyelids, and today I chose to use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. It's what I use the most, and it's what I chose to use today. And to blend it out, I'm using a Jouer Cosmetics 6 brush. It's from their Neon Brush collection. So my first transition shade, I'm going to take this shade from the Made for Matte Summer Breeze palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's just like a really pretty warm nude shade, and I use that on a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush. Then taking a MAC 224 brush with nothing on it, it's just fluffier and bigger, and I use that to just blend out those edges. Using that same JH35 brush, I'm dipping into the star of the show, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm using the shade OG to deepen up my crease, make it a little darker there, and then taking that MAC 224 brush again and blending out those edges. And you'll see I'm just going to go back and forth a couple of times until I get the desired pigmentation. Just make sure you really take your time on this part. To make sure the black eyeshadow is super dark, first I'm going to take this inglot gel liner in the shade 77 on this Anastasia A25 brush, and I'm going to apply that to my lid. This is going to make sure that the black eyeshadow that I put on top is super dark. So now that I got a lot of that black eyeliner on, I'm just going to take a smaller brush. This is the Anastasia 18 brush, and I'm going to just, I guess, not really apply more, just kind of move it around a little bit and blend it out before I apply the shadow. Okay, so now that we finished that, I'm going to take this MAC 242 brush and apply my favorite black eyeshadow of all time. It is the shade BK from the Amrezy palette, and I'm going to start slowly packing this on my lid. Then I took this itty bitty tiny Morphe M506 brush and slowly started blending out those edges. It's kind of like I'm just blending out the eyeliner base first before I go in with eyeshadow. I just feel like with black eyeshadow, the slower you work and the slower you build it up, the better it's going to turn out. Then taking this Colourpop E9 brush to softly blend out those edges too. Like I said, just really take your time. That's the key with black eyeshadow. Then going back in with the shade OG and that same brush from the beginning and blending out the edges even more. Like I said, just blend. And when you think you are done blending, blend some more. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about these voiceovers. I thought I would just do the eye tutorial, like the eyes for this video instead of the full face. So if you guys like these short eye tutorial videos, please let me know in the comments below. I feel like it's easier to follow along when I'm just focusing on the eyes and I'm not talking, you know, while I'm doing it. I'm doing a voiceover, so let me know. So you could totally wear the smoky eye just like this with nothing on top, but I just wanted to take it to the next level, and I've been dying to use the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow in the shade Molten Midnight forever now, and I just thought it was the perfect time to do it. It really takes this look from boom to like bam, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this to my lid. Okay, so then I applied some mascara, and now I'm applying these lashes from Makeup Suni Lashes in the style Tazzy. These are some of my favorite lashes, and I just think it really completes the look. So I wanted to clean up the outer corner, but I didn't want it to be like a harsh line. So I just took some concealer on this fluffy brush and started blending it out very gently. And it just made the shape of the eyeshadow look so much better. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I just took OG from the Amrezy palette and used a pencil brush. This one is from Jouer Cosmetics, and I'm going to put that down first to make sort of like a transition shade so that when I put the black eyeshadow on top, which I'm doing right now, it's going to be easier to blend. So I'm going back in with that pencil brush with no additional product on it, and I'm just going to blend out that black eyeshadow, and then you'll see I'm going back again and putting more black eyeshadow on top. To really make the inner corner pop, I'm going to apply that Stila Metals eyeshadow to the inner corner of my lower lash line and then the inner corner of my eyelid. And after I did that, I applied some mascara to my lower lashes, and this is the completed look. What do you guys think? Do you think this is easy to do? Do you like it? Sound off in the comments below and let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!